Hi, Margarita here, and the F word of today is fragrance. And we're going back to my favorite house, and we're going to talk about Krigler, established Cognac 66.
I got it all, I'm loving life, and I don't care at all if you think it ain't right. Every day, I'm feeling good, doing things others wish they could. But I'm not your ordinary dime a dozen every day, girl, on another level, miles apart in a different world.
We are back to my favorite house, Krigler. Now, this scent was my second addition to my collection from the house of Krigler. But look at how dark this juice is. It is absolutely rich. Oh my goodness. So this fragrance was put out in 1966, and it's marketed toward men. Now, if you follow my channel, you'll know that I say fragrance is all unisex. There is no such thing as a fragrance that's made for men or a fragrance that's made for women. And this is no exception. When I smelled this the day that I bought my very first fragrance, which was Charming California, and I was torn between the two. And not long thereafter, I had to come back and get this. Just smelling it through the bottle, it literally smells like if you've ever been to a place that has just like casks of vintage wines and liquors. It smells just like that. It smells just like the barrels. So let's see how it smells on. I'd love to remind myself. Again, Krigler is known for having wonderful atomizers. The spray mist is amazing. It's got good coverage and high oil concentration. Now this one is an eau de parfum concentration. They do also offer the extrait concentrations, but this one's just an eau de parfum. But because the notes are so rich, it lasts and lasts and lasts. Oh my goodness. It's got this rumminess to it. It's got tagettes in it. I don't have the notes in front of me, but they're easy to look up. But what I'm getting just off smelling this is a sweet, boozy, sophisticated rum. Now I know this is a cognac. I'm not someone who drinks, so I really don't know too much of a distinction between the different types of liquors. But because I wear a lot of fragrances that have a rum note, this smells like it's in the same family. I guess a darker liquor versus a lighter liquor. And of course, the juice definitely mimics that theme. This smells like something a person who is very wealthy would wear. If you want to smell like money, smell like a boss, you definitely want to add this to your collection. Again, this is marketed toward men, but women can easily pull this off. And I think that's because of the sweetness. This fragrance is very sweet, but not overly sweet. It's not a feminine sweet, but it's sweet enough to say that, hey, you know, I've got some softer sides to me. Now, I could see someone wearing this on date night. If you like to go to cigar bars, this would definitely pair well with that. If you're going to a steakhouse or something like that, this would definitely be a good fragrance. You do not have to reapply this at all during the day once you put it on. A little bit goes a long way. The quality of this juice is absolutely amazing. I'm trying to think if there's anything that smells like this to me. And I can't say that I've smelled anything like it, so it's got a 10 out of 10 for the uniqueness factor. Unless you are someone who is a connoisseur of fragrances centered around dark, boozy notes, I doubt you'll have anything quite like this in your collection. People who may like Mugler's Pure Havane, which is a tobacco and honey note, would love this. They do not smell the same, but I think they will complement each other. They may even smell great layered. So with that family, what else? Killian Back to Black is another one that is in that same family. Another good one is Xerjoff Naxos 1861. That's another good one that may go well with this one. So if you have those in your collection and you like those fragrances, this one I would even say is a safe blind buy. If you are someone who is confident, who is bossy, whether only in your mind or actually in life, this would be a good fragrance. When I wear this, I feel like I can just take over the world. So if you want to feel elevated, definitely go for Krigler 66 established cognac. If you like what you heard, if you don't, if you have anything that smells like this, if you smelled this, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear about it. We talk about wonderful F words such as fragrance. We also talk about fitness, fun, femininity, fashion, food, and other things that start with the letter F because I don't know, there's so many great words that do. Until next time, I'm Margarita, and you have an awesome day. Bye.